Hey you guys, it's Mirsky back with another YouTube video. If you guys like this video, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you smack the bell so you can get notified when I post a video. Subscribe so you can watch all my other content and, keep up on whatever I post. And make sure you share this off so other people can get this knowledge. And let's just get into this video. Okay, so you guys, basically in this video, we're going to be talking about letting go. How to fully let go and be of least resistance to your journey, to the things that you want to manifest. So something that I became aware of when, you fully want to let go of something is you have to release the attachment to needing it or wanting it. You know what I mean? Like, it's okay to have that desire for something, but to constantly cling to it and be of needing and wanting desperate energy, what you're doing is you're telling the universe you don't trust it. You aren't allowing space for it to come in. And when you aren't allowing space for it to come in, it's like you're like this. You shut the door on the window, or the window of opportunity, whatever the fuck you want to call it, for it to come into your life. You need to allow space for anything. You know what I mean? Even if it's to love somebody. You wouldn't want someone to be constantly clinging to you, would you? You know what I mean? Like this, you can correlate this to a lot of different things, but would you want somebody to constantly be clinging to you, saying, I love you, 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 and then it turns into something that you don't even feel like is genuine anymore? And that's kind of what the universe is feeling from you. It's not even genuine that you want it anymore. It's just because you want it because it's just here and you're just in this physical reality. You know what I mean? I feel like when you come to terms with just holding space open for something and just being here with it, you know what I mean? That's that divine feminine energy. That's just that here presence energy. I feel like when you tap into that letting go, you're really tapping into the other side of you of trust, a divine energy of just allowing what has to be in alignment for it to come, because things are playing part behind the scenes before it can even get to you physically. So that's one thing that you have to really realize too, is there's more than just you in this of what it is that you want. You have to detach the me from what it is that you are trying to manifest or, get within your reality. If you seek happiness, would you constantly be looking outside of yourself for the happiness? No, happiness starts from within. So first you have to find that within, so then it can be without, outside of you, I guess, quote unquote, or in your physical reality. It's here for you already. You have all within you. And once you start to really fully realize that and understand that completely, then you have everything already. You have everything already because you have it all within you. All that you desire to shift within your reality starts from within first. You have to, and what I mean by it starts from within, it starts from your mindset, your state of being, your level of awareness. If you're not being aware, or you're on a dimension or a frequency of a lower level energy or low level vibration, then that's what you'll be attracting from, and that's what you'll be living from. But if you are raising your vibration to higher frequencies, if you are living in a dimension of like 5D and shit like that or whatever, you're living in different dimensions within your state of consciousness, then you are allowing and becoming more receptive to the blessings that are supposed to be and that are supposed to be here for you. You know what I mean? When you are not creating that space, how about you start, instead of trying to manifest or think about something that you want so much or not let go of it, how about you start to ask, can you create space for what it is that you want? How can you create the capacity to allow this in your reality? How can you create space for more love? You know what I mean? What do you need to do to create more space for something to come? What do you need to do to create more space for this car to manifest in your reality? What do you need to do to create more space for this relationship that you genuinely want in your life to come into your reality? What do you need to do? Ask yourself that. Ask the universe. Ask your spirit guides. Whatever you need to ask. And just like how you've been asking for whatever the fuck else it is, that sure as hell will come to you too, once you allow space for it to come. You don't have to think. That's, if you notice, that's when the signs most likely pop up, when you're not paying attention to it. You ever seen a number or synchronicity or a sign that you asked for, and then once you're not thinking about it, it ended up coming? Well, that's because you created space for it. You've allowed for it to come. And that's the problem with some people. They don't create space for certain things to happen within their life. But I can tell the consciousness of this universe is starting to vibrate higher. So we are ascending. We all are high vibratory beings. We're creating space for these things that we desire in our life, and we're creating space to even vibe higher. You know what I mean? We're being, and I'm seeing 555 right now. We're being more involved into spiritual growth, into alignment. And that's what you need to be when it is that you're trying to attract something or let go. Be in alignment with your soul's purpose. When you're in alignment with yourself, when you're in alignment with your highest being, everything is effortless. All of those things, all of those downloads, all of that is going to come in for you. You don't even have to question anything anymore from a state of lack or limitation. You're questioning from a state of self-empowerment. What can I do to receive this? You know what I mean? And once you start stepping into that energy, you're channeling in better thoughts. You're channeling in better frequencies. You know what I mean? That's aligning you to a higher vibration. And, you know, somebody said to me, I find this pretty interesting because I do think this is true, in my comment section. I thought it was cute that she said that it seems like I'm having a conversation with you guys. And it does. I am most definitely having a conversation with you. If you would like to leave a comment down in the comment section below and, you know, talk about it, I've always been the type to be, you know, allowing space for my YouTube, you know, family to comment down below to tell me what ideas they would like for me to push out new videos on, things they want me to incorporate, you know, within my channel. If you look back in my videos, I definitely ask y'all that shit. But I don't know how many of y'all watch my videos. But I always make sure that I'm creating space for that to come in my life. You know, supportive people, supportive YouTube people, you know, whatever, supportive people in general, you know. And I'm just creating better space for a lot of things, you know, for my aura to expand, for my YouTube to expand, for my Instagram to expand, all of these things for new people, for new opportunities, for new this and refreshing new beginnings to come into my life because I have the space for that. You know what I mean? I have the space. And how did I create that space? Letting go and staying in alignment with my higher self, staying in alignment with me, staying in alignment with with the being, with the truest form, with my higher self. You know what I mean? And I got a couple of videos on the higher self, so y'all probably check them up there if you see the little things or whatever, the cards at the top. So, but yeah, that's basically, you know, how letting go works. You know, stay in alignment, truly trust yourself. You know, it comes with just trusting and being more receptive to allowing these things to flourish in. And I hope you guys, you know, share this motherfucking video, like it, make sure that you subscribe, smack the bell like I said, and also make sure you just book a session with me, or, you know, donations are available if you would like to donate to a bitch. You know, they are down in the comment section below. All these great things. And if you would like to check it out, other videos, I'll be back with another one very soon. I love y'all. Peace.